Hello, and welcome to the first video installation of the Minor Car Repair video series. Today we'll be using the 1991 Lincoln Town Car with a fuel-injected V8 as a model. Let's begin by first taking a look under the hood. You'll notice the fuel injectors on the manifold located here, and just beside those are the spark plug wires leading to the ignition coil located here. Before beginning any repairs to your vehicle, always remember to disconnect the negative cable from your car's battery. Failure to do so could result in permanent injury or even death. And always be sure to place the terminal in a safe location so that it does not touch any tools or become intermittently grounded during your repairs. Next, you would like to remove any parts that may be in the way of reaching any of the other parts that we need to replace. For example, the air cleaner assembly is something usually removed for common repairs. Now we begin by removing the cables by carefully tugging on the boot of the spark plug wire. In some cases, you may need a special tool to remove the boot without damaging and having to replace the wire. Next, we apply the necessary extensions to our tool, and we use a spark plug socket to remove the spark plug. After a few turns in the counterclockwise direction, we should be able to remove our spark plug. Once we remove our spark plug, we then want to inspect our plug to see if there's any damage, oil, or abnormal burning done to it. This can help in diagnosing any future problems that may arise and need repaired. When reinstalling a spark plug, you may first want to physically turn it a couple times by hand as to be sure not to cross any of your threads. Once the spark plug begins to become tightened, we can then snug it into place by using our socket wrench. We should not need to turn the socket wrench more than 3 or 4 times. Once the spark plug has been securely fastened to our satisfaction, we can then place the spark plug boot wire back onto the spark plug, completing our installation. Be sure to join us next time as we find out why the wires are numbered and we learn to change the wires.